No, let's not pick the lock. It's a crime and I would never do such a thing. Let's go see the wizard. You're all safe here, with me. I'll be the one to kill the dragon, don't you all worry. Let's wait until it's morning, the wizard should be available then. No problem, I'm just happy to be useful. I'll be waiting here. Okay, it's the morning, time to go pay a visit to our wizard. Okay, actually it's best to go to the wizard first. Locked picking with only 3 left could result in breaking all my picks. Okay, I'm not going to lockpick it.
Stop right there.
Would Fallion, the wizard, be considered a lunatic?
All right.
You know what? I'm with the guild.
Let me catch you again.
How about you look the other way? 201 gold. And there we go. We got away with it by being the one thing all guards hate, a little bit bolder. Let's follow the quest again, because someone didn't think it was a good idea to lockpick. No, I won't lockpick, because Fallion will be about soon. Patience is a virtue. Let's just wait an hour or 2. He should be up soon.